Hi, my name is Lawrence Peace and welcome to Piece of Timber. Today in What's in the Box, we have two Festool boxes in front of us. So let's dive right in and have a look what's in this box. So this is the Domino DF500. We have a Festool service warranty card. And this is actually the first time I'm looking in this box, so I have no idea what's going on. Guarantee, instruction manual, safety instructions, and then this is the unit itself. We've got Festool's own power connector. One power connector does many. We then have clips, which is cool for fast measuring. We then have the domino itself, and this thing, it's an absolute beast. Oh man, I can't believe I've got one of these. Like, dreaming about it, thinking about it for months and months, and then finally managed to get one. The reference plate, and then the tool to change the bit. Cool, so that's the box empty. So we'll just move that out of the way. So we've got the Festool Domino. Like I said, the additional fence if you're using it in an upright position. We have the power cable. We have the tool itself. We've got the 4 different bits of paper. Yeah, we'll have to look into what these do. So that is everything in the box. Okay, and our second box that we've got, now this one I actually have opened up. It wasn't as exciting as this one here, but can you guess what it is? We have got the dominoes themselves. It's a good deal to buy this than trying to buy things separately. You actually get cutters with this, which are tucked just down here. Also within this, you get stickers as well, which are in, I think, this trough. The stickers are just here, so then you can actually stick on these bins which one is which, and then obviously you've got all of the different sizes. Thank you for taking the time to watch this very short video. Subscribe, there will be more whistle-stop tours of other What's in the Box. Thank you very much. Bye-bye!